Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard Zadie skin. This unique outfit was primarily acquired by completing special in-game quests. The main objective was to earn a significant number of account levels through regular gameplay. Specifically, players aim to achieve 50 new account levels to add this distinctive skin to their collection. It was a rewarding challenge for dedicated players looking to expand their cosmetic locker. To quickly accumulate account levels, focus on completing all available quests. Daily and weekly challenges offer consistent experience point boosts. Additionally, participating in story-driven quests and various ranked modes provides excellent opportunities for bonus experience. Many players also found success in creative maps, such as Red Bus versus Blue Bus, which could grant around 30,000 experience points for just 20 to 30 minutes of playtime. Consistent effort across these activities was key. Beyond the main outfit, reaching certain milestones also granted additional cosmetic items. Players who earned 15 account levels received Zadie's Blade Pickaxe, a sharp accessory for their inventory. Progressing further to 30 account levels awarded the matching Zadie's Blade Back Bling. Furthermore, the skin featured special rank styles, displaying an emblem corresponding to a player's highest achieved rank across various game modes, adding a personalized touch to the outfit. It is important to note that the Vanguard Zadie skin was originally offered as a free, limited-time reward through special in-game quests. Players needed to log in during a specific period to access these challenges and earn the skin. While the free quest opportunity has concluded, cosmetic items sometimes return to the in-game item shop. Keep an eye on the shop rotations for any potential future re-release of this distinctive outfit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.